Hey guys, this is Zafar from my YouTube channel Positive Academy. Today's message is raw is real. Why are you considering yourself low? Remember, you are a unique yourself. You cannot be other one. You are the one who has certain capabilities. You are unique in your own strength, your behavior, your focus. Right? So there cannot be another you. So why are you considering yourself down? Raw is real. Now today I am raw, but I am real. I don't wear any mask and I pretend what I am actually. So I never wear a mask, but I am being authentic. Same way, everything you can see raw is real. When you take plant-based food, you eat fruits and vegetables that are raw, has the original content. But once it is cooked and once the ingredients are added, then it will not become as capable as it is. So in the real life also, you need to be raw. You need to be true authentic self of yourself, self expressing the ideas and putting out yourself in the world, your unique identity, your unique perspective, your unique approach, right? Don't let yourself down, right? Lot of people think that I am not good enough, but you are good enough. Universe has made you capable. Universe knows your value. That's the reason you are here in the universe. So understand your importance, self-love, self-care, self-esteem. These are some of the things we need to focus upon, right? I see on Instagram a lot of people are not satisfied with what they are, right? They wear a public mask and show other identity to the world, but remember, you need to share your own unique identity. What are your true self, what are your values, and what actually you are, right? The most important question in this universe one need to ask is, who am I? That one need to discover. And once they discover this, well, it's become a greatest version and you can achieve anything in your life. So ask yourself, who am I? What I am capable of? What are my unique strengths? What are my weaknesses? How I can overcome the weakness? And how can I become my greatest version? These are some of the questions you need to ask yourself, right? Now when I talk raw is real, what I mean is that you don't need to be people pleaser. A lot of people are people pleaser because they think that they need approval of other people to be what they are, but you don't require any approval, right? You are your own self approval, right? You need to approve yourself only, and when you do that, you will become more confident, more authentic. And next thing, what I mean by raw is real is, lot of people don't take the responsibility, right? We need to take 100% responsibility of whatever that is happening in our life. We are blaming for circumstances, we are blaming for people, but shift your focus and say this, affirm with me, that I am 100% responsible for everything that happens in my life. I am 100% responsible for everything that happens in my life. In that way, you become more confident, you become more authentic, you take responsibility of yourself, and once you take the responsibility, you can be more into work and you can give more to yourself and help you to become the greatest version. Yes, raw is real. So when you help someone without any expectation, without anything in return, you are being raw, and raw is real. In that way, you become what you are meant to be. We are actually electrical beings, we are actually spiritual beings having human experience, so we can get connected to each other very easily. We flow into the flow of emotions. When someone tries to play with our emotions, we get easily attached to it and we try to follow him or her. Right now, if someone is giving value, that's being raw is real. Then without any expectation, he or she is providing the value, then it is that what is called raw is real, right? So be raw in your real life, right? Be authentic, be genuine. Don't cheat yourself or don't cheat the world, because what you give, you receive. It's the fundamental law of universe. What you give, you receive. what you give, it returns to you twice the amount. So when you are faking your identity, when you are cheating other people, universe will cheat yourself. So be careful what you are giving out. Lot of people right now are giving negative energy. Now when you give negative energy, you are actually generating that, it will return to you in the back amount as negative energy, right? So stop doing what no longer serves to you, to the universe, what no longer help to the world. If you cannot do good, then you can set aside and let the world go, but don't put out your negative energy and hamper the world. Let world be the better place, let it be the place where people can enjoy, where people can live in peace, where people can live freely. Being free is our birthright, right? When people, I always wish to see people to live happy, to live life to the fullest, because abundance is our natural state, and in that way, raw is real. So I hope you are enjoying this content. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for a regular dose of positivity. Each and every subscriber, each and every like, each and every comment that we get motivate us to become more, to help more, to produce more great content, right? So see you in the next video. Till then, bye, peace.